it's Kate with WTI. I have found this amazing tool to help relieve my tired feet at the end of the day.
These sandals by BYRIVER help to relieve pressure in your feet with these different acupuncture like pressure points. So you can see there's so many different ones here, and they kind of press up and down so you're able to get this nice gentle massage on your foot. It is a little painful at first. They do recommend wearing socks and just wearing them for a few minutes at a time while the muscles in your feet get used to them. I found this to be the case, and after wearing them a few times in a row, my feet started to love these because they really help to relieve that pressure. Being slip-ons, they're so easy to put on, and they have a Velcro top that you can adjust, which makes them really convenient. They have a nice grip on the bottom of them too, so they're perfect for wearing around the house to help relieve your tired feet.
If you think that these would benefit your feet, if you struggle with your feet being achy at the end of the day, I highly recommend checking these out. I really, really love them, and I think that they are an amazing tool. I think you'll love them too, but that's just my point of view.